Hello everyone, I am Binita Joshi and welcome to the third episode of Lippan Art tutorials. To make your own Lippan Art designs, in this video I will show you easy method to draw designs. And also you will learn the easy method of making a grid. First of all, we need to be very clear that which design we want to draw. Today's episode is for beginners, so we will learn this easy design. Let's get into it. First, we need to find the center of the base. If you don't know how, then check out my detailed video how to find the center. I am using 8-inch MDF board with 4 mm thickness. Let's find center. Draw a line of any length at the border of the board and mark the center of the line. Now draw another line at some distance and do the same. Put protractor at center of one of the lines and mark like this. Repeat the same thing with the other line. Now our center is where both the lines cross. This is our center. Put protractor at the diameter of circle. Now, with the help of protractor, mark every 20 degrees, which is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. Now, using same technique, mark on the other side. Okay, then make the grid according to the markings. We made grid by connecting the opposite points. Make a circle of 1/2 inch using a rounder. We have to make 3 more circles. One of 1 inch, one of 2 inch, and the last one of 2.5 inch. To make overlapping leaves, first mark every other points on the 2-inch circle. Now draw connecting line like this using protractor. Okay, then finish off our overlapping leaf design. To make the outer leaf design, we need to leave some space. So make another circle. It is similar to what we did before. Mark every other point on the outermost circle and make the leaf design using protractor. erase the unnecessary grid and make some finishing to make it look neat. Yes, our design is ready. If you want to learn more designs, please write in comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon in next video. Bye for now.